Want to fix Messenger notes not showing in Android? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix this issue. The first thing you want to do is open up Play Store. Now search Messenger. If you find update option, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. Once that is done, open up your settings, scroll down a bit and tap on apps. A list of all the applications in your device will be shown. Scroll down and select Messenger. Now tap on storage. Here select clear cache, then select clear data and tap on the delete option. This is going to delete all the data of Messenger. Now head back. Now you want to tap on permissions. Make sure that you grant all the permissions required for this application to run smoothly. So if there is any permission not given, make sure you give that. Once that is done, you want to launch open the Messenger app, log into your account, and the issue of Messenger notes not showing will be fixed. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.